Your backstage pass and black sunglasses make you look just like a queen. Even the fans that know your face from all of the magazines. But do you love me? Nah. Okay. BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO ni Anishinaabe. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Hello, my people. Welcome back to the show. And before we go much further, I'm just going to check in with the man upstairs. BOOZHOO Gitchi Manadu. NANABOOZHOO Nindija Nakaz. Nimi Gwachi Wendam. Maba Bimadazi Win. And what I said there in English was great spirit. My name is NANABOOZHOO. This is NANABOOZHOO. And thank you. I am grateful for this life, for my life. Nimi Gwachi Wendam. I am grateful. And oh, I really am. Everything is just great. You know, if you got your health and, you know, what else do you want? And you got your viewers and you got your YouTube channel. I mean, everything just kind of works out. It's great. So shut up with your whining. Nah. So today's OJIBWE word of the day. You know, DBWE is truth. DBWE. But GOFUNDME is a lie. GOFUNDME. And the truth is one of our 7 Anishinaabe values. You know, it's really important to live a good life, to be truthful, and to never tell a lie, tell a GOFUNDME. GOFUNDME is a lie. And you know, if you watch YouTube videos, there's a lot of there's a lot of pushback when you question the official narrative of something. You know, if you question like the historical story, you go, wait, what's this about slavery? People get very defensive because if you go, those guys, what they taught you in school, that's not true. That is not DBWE. That is not the truth. But then that's just a stone's throw from saying you're calling them a liar. Oh, you know, your teachers are liars. Well, your teachers aren't really liars. They were just educated by lies. So, like, what's a good example? All right, here's a lot of times people be like, oh, what are you, a conspiracy theorist? Because that term means a lot. Back in the 70s, the CIA coined the term conspiracy theorists to, you know, delegitimize people who would question the story. Rather than say, no, those guys are liars, because they're not liars, they're just, you know, not believing. They're saying that those guys are liars. So, like, I heard someone say this recently. He goes, to say that the earth is a sphere that spins and rotates around the sun is a claim, and it needs to be proven. To say that the earth is flat and doesn't move, and that the stars actually move around us, and stars are smaller than the sun and the moon, and that the sun and the moon are about the same size, or exactly the same size, if you look at a lunar eclipse, isn't a claim. That's just an observation. That's just what we see. You know? Doesn't matter what I think. I don't know what the earth is shaped as. There's no way I could know. But if you're going to say that you know, then tell us, how can you possibly know that? So it's a claim. You know, Christopher Columbus claimed that the earth was round, and so he had to prove it by sailing. You know, I'm not making the claim that they used to tell us that Christopher Columbus was going to prove that the earth was round. I just made an observation. I remember observing the teachers telling us that. I'm not saying they lied or that history lied. I just observed that, and now it just seems like, okay, well, here's the claim. I always believed it, but now it's like, well, that's a good point. How do you know? Can you prove these claims that the earth is spinning at 1,000 miles an hour? Can you prove that the sun is 93 million miles away? How did you come up with that number? How did you do that? You know, if we observe the stars, you see that the North Star is in the middle, and all the stars move around it. And you know, you can make an observation. Oh yeah, I guess that makes more sense if you're gonna guide your ships at night by stars. I mean, from one year to the next, the stars would all be in a different place if you were sailing through the universe. The universe. There's another claim. It looks like it's just a black dome with stars in it. That's what it looks like. And that's what the Bible says it is. A firmament. I'm not saying that's what it is. I can't. What do I know? I'm a dummy. I don't know the OJIBWE, the truth of the nature of the earth. But I can smell a GOFUNDME. I can smell a lie. And something stinks around. All that, I don't know, the authorities. So yeah, what say you, Neil deGrasse Tyson? What say you, Bill Nye, the perverted guy? All right, thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa, Hawa. All right. Sunny days.